In this video, we'll show you how to restore a missing address bar in Google Chrome. We'll cover several methods you can try to get your address bar back. First, let's check if you're in full screen mode. Press F11 or function F11 on some laptops to exit full screen mode. This is often the simplest solution, as full screen mode naturally hides the address bar. The second method involves enabling the bookmarks bar. Click the three vertical dots menu in the top right corner. Then navigate to Bookmarks and select Show Bookmarks bar. Sometimes this can help restore the address bar as well. Third, check your extensions. Some extensions might interfere with the address bar display. Go to More Tools, then Extensions, and try disabling them one by one to identify if any are causing the issue. Fourth, make sure Chrome is up to date. Click the menu, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for and install any available updates. Fifth, try the simple solution of restarting Chrome. Close the browser completely and reopen it to see if that resolves the issue. If none of these work, you can try resetting Chrome settings. Go to Settings, click Advanced, and under Reset and Clean Up, select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Just remember this will reset all your Chrome settings. As a last resort, you may need to reinstall Chrome. Make sure to back up your bookmarks and other important data before uninstalling. Try these methods in order, and one of them should help restore your missing Chrome address bar. Remember to always keep your browser updated to prevent such issues in the future.